Hi, this is Jeremy with Digi Tech Support. FlashWriter is a software utility for Windows that's compatible with Transport WR devices and often used to recover problematic devices by rewriting the firmware. This video will demonstrate how to use FlashWriter via serial as opposed to Ethernet. A computer with a serial port and a straight-through serial cable is required. The computer serial port should be configured at 115/200 for the baud rate. This procedure will not work with models that do not have a serial port, such as the WR11. It's important to note that FlashWriter will erase any existing configuration files on the transport. Go to www.digi.com, click Support at the top right, click Support Tools, and then click Find Drivers, Documentation, and Firmware. Click Firmware Updates. Type in the name of the Digi device, then click the exact model underneath. This example uses the WR44 V2 as the device. Within the Firmware Updates section, download the FlashWriter application as well as the transport firmware for FlashWriter. It's very important that the correct FlashWriter firmware file is used, which is based on the model of the transport. Do not attempt to load firmware designed for one model onto a different model. WR44 V2 firmware is not compatible with the older WR44 V1. Models that have L5 in the part number should use MC7354 firmware. Extract the transport firmware for the FlashWriter zip file. Note the .all file in the folder where the files were extracted. This will be used later. Extract the FlashWriter application zip file. Install the FlashWriter application. Launch the FlashWriter application. Select the proper serial COM port for your computer and only check event-driven mode and X-modem 1K, then click the load button. Click OK when prompted to enter the location of the all file. Browse to the folder where the transport firmware for FlashWriter was previously extracted and select the .all file. Select the cellular WAN module that's in the transport. Power off the transport, click OK, then immediately power on the device as per the FlashWriter procedure. FlashWriter over serial can take some time, particularly if the router has the MC7354 module. After the device has been upgraded successfully, FlashWriter may be closed. Thanks for watching, and please let us know if you have any questions or feedback by emailing tech.support@digi.com.